Hello. Hi everyone. Today I would like to show you something I found in my stash. Let's see, it's 3 pieces. So, years, probably 4 years ago, I did few these bowls on Christmas tree. It's plastic half bowl. And first I cut the circle with decorate scissors. Of course, same like the plastic edge is. Then I put image and something to will shaking in and glue it together and decorate with that bow, with that flowers. Between them I glue that holder for ribbon, and same things I did on the opposite side. Look, that beautiful country, winter country, also here. So that is my Christmas decoration. I did them maybe 20 and I give them to my friends. Also, when I don't have that plastic, so I did just decoration like that, and I made few of them for my friends who decorate Christmas tree with pink decoration. So it's two girls to ski, and image is from Stamperia. And here is that beautiful country, and I use some glossy accent to decorate. Next, I found that packs. I never do video, so I want to show you for inspiration to do something like that. We can find on internet many of cards like that. Is never end card. So when we turn, we get this picture, how little girl baking. Then when we turn, we found Santas with Winterland. Then when we turn, it's different countries. When we turn, it's flowers. So we can do that and never end. So I little bit decorated bags, put in and make that beautiful lid. Thank you very much to visit my channel, and please write me if I inspire you, if you like what I show. It's make me feeling to do more videos. Thank you very much, and see you on next video.